everyone. Myself Anubhuti Saxena. I am your science teacher. Today we are going to start assessment sheet 4, which is based on lesson 10 to 12. Let's start. First question is, tick the correct answer. A. The height of a table is measured in liters or centimeters. The height of a table is measured in liters or centimeters. And the correct answer is centimeters. The height of a table is measured in centimeters. B part, friction is more on a rough or smooth surface. Friction is more on a rough or smooth surface. And the answer is rough. Friction is more on a rough surface. C. The force of the earth is called friction or gravity. The force of the earth is called friction or gravity. And the answer is gravity. The force of the earth is called gravity. D. A digital or wrist watch shows time in numbers. A digital or wrist watch shows time in numbers. And our answer is digital. A digital watch shows time in numbers. E part. Magnetic or muscular force acts from a distance. Magnetic or muscular force acts from a distance. And the answer is magnetic. Magnetic force acts from a distance. First answer is centimeter. Second answer is rough. Third answer is gravity. Fourth answer is digital. Fifth answer is magnetic. Next question, second, fill in the blanks. First, powder is sprinkled on a carom board to dash friction. Powder is sprinkled on a carom board to dash friction. And answer is reduce. Powder is sprinkled on a carom board to reduce friction. Second, 70 kilometer is equal to dash meter. 70 kilometer is equal to dash meter. As we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, then 70 kilometer is equal to 70 multiply 1000 meter is equal to 70,000 meter. So our answer is 70,000 meter. Third, a dash thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the day. A dash thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the day. And the answer is a maximum and minimum temp thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the day. Fourth, dash is a push or a pull. Dash is a push or a pull. And answer is force. Force is a push or a pull. Fifth, the length of a screen can be measured using a dash. The length of a sari can be measured using a dash, using a meter rod. The length of a sari can be measured using a meter rod. First answer is reduce. Second answer is 70,000 meter. Third answer is maximum and minimum. Fourth answer is force. And fifth answer is meter rod. Question number 3. Write true or false. First, liquids are measured in kilogram. Liquids are measured in kilograms. This is false. And the correct answer is liquids are measured in liters. Second, oiling of machines parts increases friction. Oiling of machines part increases friction. This is false. And the correct answer is oiling of machine parts reduces friction. Third, while swimming we use muscular force. While swimming we use muscular force. This is true. Fourth, streamlined shape reduces friction. Streamlined shape reduces friction. This is true. As we know, aeroplane, rocket, all are made in the shape of streamlined because it reduces the friction. Fifth, a bigger unit to measure weight is gram. A bigger unit to measure weight is gram. This is false. The correct answer is the bigger unit to measure weight is kilogram. Here it is written gram. So this is false. First is false. Second is false. Third is true. Fourth is true. And fifth is false. Next, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Define capacity. Define capacity. Answer. The amount of liquid that a container can hold. The amount of liquid that a container can hold is called capacity. Is called capacity. The amount of liquid that a container can hold is called capacity. Question 2. What is frictional force? What is frictional force? The force that opposes the motion of an object is called frictional force. The force that opposes the motion of an object is called frictional force. Question number 3. Why are tires of vehicles corrugated? Why are tires of vehicles corrugated? And the answer is tires of vehicles are corrugated to increase friction. Tires of vehicles are corrugated to increase friction. This provides a better grip. This provides a better grip on the road to prevent skidding. To prevent skidding, tires of vehicles are corrugated to increase friction. This provides a better grip on the road to prevent skidding. Question 4. Write any two effects of force. Write any two effects of force. Answer is, first, a force can change the direction of a moving object. A force can change the direction of a moving object. Second, a force can stop a moving object. A force can stop a moving object. First is, a force can change the direction of a moving object. Second, a force can stop a moving object. Question number 5. Name two instruments used to measure length. Name two instruments used to measure length. Answer is, first is steel rod and second is measuring tape. First is steel rod and second is measuring tape. So, our assessment sheet is over. Everybody will note down all the exercises and question answer of this assessment sheet on your copy and learn it in homework. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.